Hello everybody, welcome back to another latest plan video. Today I'm going to show you how to create free Apple ID without payment method and without credit card on your iPhone and iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, open up settings app on your device here and then tap here on your Apple ID profile and now tap here on don't have an Apple ID or forgot it. And here are some options: create Apple ID and forgot Apple ID. So tap here on create Apple ID and then give here your first name and then Apple ID second name and enter here your date of birth, and after that tap here on next and give here your email address and then tap here on next and here give your Apple ID password and here verify your Apple ID password and tap on next, and then here you have to give your phone number. So our code will be sent to this number, so you have to verify that. So tap here on next. Now enter here the code sent to this number. So my code has been detected automatically, and here are some terms and conditions. So tap here on agree and again tap on agree to confirm the process. Now it's signing into iCloud. Now enter your passcode here and now you have to verify your email address here. So tap on verify email address and our code is sent to this email address. If you tap here on send code, so what you have to do is just verify the code. So go back and sign in your email. So I have signed in my email here. So here is the mail from Apple and here is the code. So what you have to do is just enter here your code and then you can see my Apple ID has been created right now. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.